Pouring bleach into the toilet tank overflow tube speeds chemical contact with internal surfaces to break down mineral and organic buildup that can restrict flow. Bleach, which is sodium hypochlorite in water, acts as an oxidizing agent that dissolves organic films and can slowly attack some mineral deposits when used repeatedly, so apply it cautiously. To use this method, shut off the water supply, flush to lower the tank level, pour a cup to a cup and a half of household bleach directly into the overflow tube, wait 30 minutes to 2 hours for reaction time, then turn the water back on and flush several times to rinse residue. Avoid combining bleach with ammonia or acid cleaners because toxic chlorine gas can form. Protect rubber and plastic components by limiting contact time, since prolonged exposure can cause degradation of flappers, seals, and certain gaskets. If components look brittle, replace them before repeating chemical treatments. For persistent calcification, follow chemical treatment with mechanical removal using a plastic bristled brush or a non-metallic scraper on accessible areas. And consider a descaling agent formulated for plumbing that is safe for tank components. Always ventilate the bathroom, wear chemical-resistant gloves and eye protection, and test a small treatment first to confirm there is no adverse reaction with older tank materials. Common mistakes include pouring large quantities of bleach directly into the tank instead of the overflow tube, which can submerge and overexpose rubber parts, so use only a measured small amount and limit dwell time. Another issue is mixing cleaners or not flushing thoroughly, which risks producing harmful gases or leaving concentrated residues, so never mix chemicals and flush repeatedly until water runs clear. A third concern is relying solely on bleach for heavy mineral scale, since it mainly affects organic matter and weakly dissolves calcium. So for heavy calcification, combine careful chemical use with manual descaling tools, or use a manufacturer-approved descaler that is compatible with your tank components. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by connecting projects with professionals and showing community feedback so people can make informed choices. We also help contractors find work and engage with peers through our active discussion community, where users share real experiences and practical tips.